That's the exhaust note the car is on. It's fantastic. So you flick it up. Right. So the car right now is in Strada, which is street. Then we're gonna flick it down. Gets a bit deeper. Now we can give it a nice little rev. But we're just gonna go outside and just listen to the exhaust note and just go from there.